Today I'm going to show you how to create visually pleasing art in Leonardo AI using a simple step-by-step workflow that helps you get better at looking results faster. Whether you want landscapes, portraits, cinematic scenes, or stylized digital artwork, this setup will help you guide the model toward a more polished final image. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials. First, go to Leonardo AI and open your workspace. Once you're inside, look for the image menu button in the middle of the screen. Click that first because this is where you'll start building your image settings before you generate anything. Next, choose your preferred model. Leonardo AI gives you different model options, and the model you pick can change the look, detail, and overall style of your final art. If you want something more realistic, choose a model that handles realism well. If you want something more artistic or stylized, pick a model that supports that kind of creative output. After that, set your quality. This is an important step because higher quality settings can improve detail and make your image look more refined. If you're working on something important, like a thumbnail, cover image, or portfolio piece, it's usually worth choosing a higher quality setting so your results look more professional. Then, set your style. This part is optional, but it can make a huge difference if you already know the visual direction you want. For example, you can go for cinematic, fantasy, realistic, painterly, or minimal, depending on your idea. If you skip this part, your prompt still works, but adding a style can help the model understand the overall mood you want. Now set your image dimensions. This is where composition really starts to matter. A great tip is to use wide ratios like 16:9 for landscapes or 4:5 for portraits. These proportions often create a more professional looking composition right away because the image space matches the subject better. If you want a dramatic scenery shot, wide is usually a strong choice. If you want a person or character portrait, a taller format often works better. Next, choose the number of generations you want. If you want more options to compare, increase the number. If you already have a very clear idea, you may only need one or two. This is helpful because Leonardo AI can give you multiple variations, and sometimes the best result appears in the second or third version rather than the first. Now, find the text prompt bar. This is where you describe exactly what you want the AI to create. The more specific your prompt is, the better your results will usually be. Instead of using vague words, think about subject, environment, lighting, style, and mood. That combination usually leads to much more visually pleasing art. If you want to guide the design even more, you can upload an image reference using the Upload button. Click it, then select and upload a photo from your local storage. This is especially useful if you want the AI to match a certain composition, pose, or color direction. Here's a useful tip. Upload an image with a color palette you love so the model can copy its professional color tones more closely. Now, it's time for the prompt itself. Type your text prompt into the bar. Make sure to describe what you want clearly and specifically. For example, rather than saying something simple like beautiful art, give the model details about the scene, the subject, the mood, and the style. A very good tip here is to use specific lighting keywords like golden hour light, soft volumetric rays, or dramatic cinematic lighting. These kinds of words add depth, atmosphere, and visual richness to the image. Lighting is one of the fastest ways to make AI art feel more polished and more realistic. Another powerful tip is to name a distinct art medium. For example, you can say watercolor, oil painting, digital concept art, or minimalist vector. This works much better than using generic words. Specific medium terms help the model understand the visual finish you want, whether that means textured, painted, clean, or modern. Once everything is set, click Generate. Leonardo AI will begin creating your image based on the model, style, dimensions, reference image, and prompt you entered. After a few moments, review the results and see which version looks the most visually pleasing. If needed, you can refine your prompt, adjust the style, or change the dimensions and generate again. And that's the full workflow for creating visually pleasing art in Leonardo AI. Start with the right model, adjust your quality and style, choose the best dimensions, add a reference if needed, and use detailed prompt language with strong lighting and medium keywords. That combination can dramatically improve your results. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI art guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.